Are you looking for Shopify winning product researcher? Here is the best place for you. E-commerce store owners are usually worried about sales, and almost 90% of stores close within some months because they don't have top-selling winning products. But don't worry. I'm with you. Experia research team is well experienced in all dropshipping product research with the experience of 2 years. We will use some product research softwares and provide all winning products with a complete analysis of market trends. We are responsible that winning products in every season will give you impressive sales results just in first month. You'll get wow factor problem-solving products with high-quality images, break-even point, already selling, and all from reliable verified suppliers, 4.7 above rating with a lot of reviews and many more. Order now with full confidence and don't waste your time in researching products ever again. Trust once on Experia. Thank you.